we will rock you. You know this song, right? Any Queen fans out there? A great song and a great lesson about verbal tenses. The future with will in a minute. It's time to talk about the future simple. In previous units, we studied some auxiliary verbs, for example, to do. Now we have a new auxiliary verb, will. We use will to mark the future simple in its affirmative form and won't for the negative. Okay, first of all, how do we form the future simple? Well, it's, again, simple. He will come, we will go, you will see. First, the subject, you, for example. Then will, which can be contracted with an apostrophe and ll. And then the verb in the infinitive, without to. So, you will or you'll see. Simple as that. Oh, more good news. It's the same form for singular and plural. I'll see, you'll see, they will see. Super easy. What about the negative? You just have to add not. Will not. The contraction is won't. And it's always the same. I won't go, you won't go, he won't go, etc. If you want to ask a question in future simple, you just have to change the word order, like this. Will plus subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence. For example, will Richard come to the party? Will we be late? Will the band play tomorrow? And the answers can be, yes, he will. No, we won't. Yes, they will. Always will, without contraction. And will not or won't. Very well, we have the ingredients. Now we need to know when to use them. We use the future simple to talk about predictions or things that will probably happen in the future. For example, it will rain tomorrow. I will probably water the plants this evening. I probably won't go to the gym this afternoon. I'm too tired. Oh, and please notice that the adverb probably goes after will in affirmative sentences and before won't in negative ones. You can write this down. We also use the future simple in conditional sentences. Conditional sentences are used, in this case, to speculate about what could happen or what we would like to happen in the future. For example, if it keeps raining like this, you'll probably have to buy a canoe. If you dress like that, they'll think you are the waiter. The car has broken down. If we don't fix it, we won't be able to leave. You identify this conditionals because you have the word if. If something happens or not, something else will happen or not. There are more cases in which we use the future simple. We do it when we make spontaneous decisions, promises and offerings. For example, don't get up, I'll open the door. We'll pay for the drinks. I won't forget you. We'll miss you. I'll call you every day. Okay, enough drama. You get it. By the way, when we want to make a suggestion about a future action, we use the form shall. But be careful, you should only use it with the first person singular and the first person plural, that is I and we. This makes sense because I or we are the ones making the suggestion, right? Look at these examples. It's cold outside. Shall we close the window? Are you busy? Shall I call you later? I think it's better to discuss it in person. Shall we meet tomorrow? Nice, great job everybody. If you keep working like this, you'll succeed.
Please listen carefully. I won't go. She won't drive. They won't clean. Won't. Won't. The word won't has a diphthong in it, and it mustn't be confused with the verb to want. The vowel sound is different, okay? Another example. I told her to come with me, but she won't want to. She won't want. Won't want. Do you notice the difference? Good. Keep practicing.